Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin today. Very important day, FOMC meeting. What is it going to happen? Is the Federal Reserve going to cut interest rates? Is it going to keep it unchanged? And what is going to be happening with the Bitcoin price? Guys, of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button for more notification because we post one video every single day. Guys, today, important day because the Federal Reserve is going to decide whether they're going to cut interest rates, and Jerome Powell is going to have his speech and all of that. Basically, from my personal point of view, I believe that they're not going to cut interest rates today. And Jerome Powell is there insane that he might also say that inflation is still too high. They're still fighting it, but they're not going to cut interest rates for the next year, blah, blah, blah. So in reality, you already know that it's all BS. And in my opinion, they're probably going to be forced to cut interest rates for a few reasons why I'm going to explain to you today. So nothing burger, in my opinion. I think is going to be this typical meeting where market makers are going to take this in advantage of potentially dumping the market. But of course, we're going to see what is going to be the key message of Jerome Powell. He's going to hint of a rate cut in September. If he's going to say, oh, we're just going to go and pretty much, never cut interest rates anymore in our life because the economy is so strong in the United States, which is a complete BS. But anyway, let's go now into the chart so we can start to analyze Bitcoin to see what's going on. So guys, I'm going to go on the Bitcoin chart just to go straight away and show you what I think is going to be happening today and also in the next upcoming days. I'm going to go on the 4-hour chart so you have a better understanding of what's going on, because I'm pretty sure like you see this chart over here and looks a little bit messy. So you're like, oh my gosh, what is this? So at the moment, guys, Bitcoin had a dump yesterday roughly to $65,300. And I want to show you this not to brag, guys, but just to show you the quality of our VIP group, which is insane, guys. I actually posted yesterday a trading call. Let me just go on my trading calls over here, guys. Bitcoin. Let me find it from here. I'm entering a Bitcoin swing long at $65,300. I just posted everything over here just to show you that we're actually posting here every single day trading calls from myself, from our pro members as well. We also do altcoin analysis, Bitcoin analysis. And guess what happened, guys? I want to show you the trading results, which is insane. Look what happened over here, guys. Look at one of my members here, Jeremy. Jeremy trades by himself, is one of our pro members. He can also help you to guide you. $500 in like, I don't know, not even half a day. And look at the results, guy, from Christoph, 52%. Christoph is a very funny guy. He posted this in the beginning of yesterday. I want to show you straight away. This is so funny, guys. He was saying that sometimes, you can lose in trading, and he posted this of minus 2.46%, saying that but the trade was still going. And then after that he just came with pretty much reserve all the trade, made all this money here, guys. Look at this. And then he ended up making 50%, 60%, right? So if you want to join, guys, a community of like-minded traders who are making these kind of results, guys, because look at this. I'm not trying to scam you or anything like that. Look just at the results we post every single day with my trading calls over here, guys. We are smashing this market. We're one of the most profitable trading community up here on in crypto and also stocks. So if you want to really have guidance, whether you are a trader, you are an investor, to understand how to navigate the market, join the VIP group. But now let's go back into Bitcoin, guys. So at the moment, you can see that we went from 65,300 to now 66,230. It is my opinion, guys, that what we're going to see right now is going to be a potential recoil back up to this area over here at roughly 67,000 to 67,500. Why? Because we had this previous level of resistance over here. I'm going to just cancel this exponential moving average so you can see a little bit better. So you can see that before we were going up this way and broke this very important trend line. So at the moment, Bitcoin is trying to climb back up, above this line over here. And what I'm expecting is that we're going to go and recoil roughly at 67,000, 67,500. Maybe it could be after the FOMC meeting. So what I want to see after that is going to be if Bitcoin is going to be able to break this line over here. And this is going to be dictated by what Jerome Powell is going to say. Because if Jerome Powell is going to say inflation is going down, we're going to cut interest rates potentially in September, is a 90% guarantee, then I could see Bitcoin pumping even back to the previous all-time high in this way over here. But of course, guys, if like I'm expecting, to be honest, Jerome Powell is going to say that inflation is too high, there is so much work to be done, and blah blah blah, market makers are going to take this opportunity to pretty much um, short from this point over here. And if this is going to happen, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall in between this area over here, or even, to be honest, as low as this area over here. So I would say, in my opinion, that a very good area for a good rebound is going to be a 63,000 to 61,500. Then I could be expecting from there a nice rebound. I'm going to show you with my brush, so something maybe like this. But of course, guys, we're not going to be out of the woods straight away and go back to all-time high. This also could happen after, and then we're going to go and continue to the upside. But from a, I would say, macro point of view, guys, looking at the daily chart, I'm going to go and bring you the daily straight away. I am very, very bullish. Okay, so might see maybe one more drop, which is going to be our design, as we call it before, wave number 2. So we have 1 over here, then we're going to have, let's say, 2 around this area, then we're going to see wave 3, which is going to be the powerful one, maybe up to here, 85k, then wave 4 down again to this area 73, and then maybe wave 5 up to 90 to $100,000. That could be an ideal scenario of Bitcoin, or something like this. Maybe another alternative will be maybe wave 3 going up to maybe 78, then go back down around this area over here at 68, and then 85 to $89,000. But again, as you already know me, what I saw right now here is that I could be expecting like a bottom, a top, sorry, probably 85 to 90 Okay, so guys, you're probably asking yourself as well, like, how do I know all of this? And I've been a trader for more than 9 years, and I also was trained by many systematic traders, algorithmic traders on a trading floor. So I worked there as well. So that's why we know a strategy and method. So if you want to learn how to trade crypto, guys, you can watch a free masterclass I designed for you. That's pretty much I explain how I was able to transform $45,000 into $1.1 million, and how you can actually make the same. How you can copy my strategy, making pretty much 20% plus per month, only under 4 hours per week, guys. I call it the FTA $1 million strategist. This is my premium course. So if you really want to get into learn how to trade, please link in the description below, and you can join us as well. But I think that's it for Bitcoin, guys. So the next one I want to show you today, which is very important, is the S&P 500, just to show you that the bottom, in my opinion, the top, in my opinion, is not in, unlike so many people think. I really believe that looking at this chart of the S&P 500, guys, can you see that on the RSI we have been touching this line over here, this line over here, and then this line over here. We are missing still this little piece over here. So I'm expecting that with the S&P 500, what we could be seeing right now could be a drop down to this area over here. Because as you know, like as you can see, we are still into this trend to go to the upside. So we have been connected this point over here. So we have 1 point here. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Over here, 1 point over here, and then we are missing 1 point over here with the projection, but the RSI is telling us to have 1 point here, 1 point here, and we're missing this last point over here. So I believe that after this correction, we're going to see also like a mid-term top with the S&P 500, and is going to be probably now a rejection down to correction down to maybe 5,250, 5,300. If Bitcoin is going to also go down to $61,000, $62,000, and then we could be seeing one final push to the upside, which is going to be in between November and January 2025, with a target in between, I would say, $6,000 to $6,500. And after that, then I could be expecting a bigger correction to go to the downside, maybe down to here. Maybe 4,000, 4,500. And at the same time, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go from maybe 90K to 50K. And then, of course, after that, we're going to see what's going on. But at the moment, I believe that in the S&P 500, the top is not in, and it should be coming very soon, potentially when the Fed is going to cut interest rates. Next one I want to show you today, guys, very important as well to understand we are not done with crypto, is the DXY, or even the market cap USDT dominance. You can see that right now this dominance is going down, which means that lots of people are putting money into Bitcoin and crypto. So what I want to see right now from here would be a continuation to the downside of this USDT dominance. And right now you can see that the most likely scenario could be something like this. You're going to see maybe continuation down to here and then a rebound, or even, because if you have a look at here, guys, looks like we are into a bear flag. So the bear flag, it's going to move this one up to here. You can see that we have a potential bear flag over here, and if this is going to break down, guys, we're going to go as down as probably around this area over here, which was the lowest point in 2018. So having a very high dominance over here, very low dominance over here, of course, it means that all the money, instead of being in USDT, are going to go into crypto. So in my opinion, we still have so much room to go down. But of course, as I said before, maybe as a midterm top, we might actually go down to this area over here, which is going to be super bullish for crypto, and then maybe a recoil up this way, and then maybe down around here. So I guess we have to wait and see. And the last one I want to show today, guys, very important as well, is the total free market cap all season. Lots of people are asking me about all season. When is it going to come, or if it's going to come? In my opinion, of course, it's going to come. However, I would like to urge you that I don't think we are going to see the typical all season that we saw in 2021, where we saw that explosion in prices and everybody was so euphoric, and we saw like a 44,000% returns and all of that. I can show you right now what happened during the all season in 2021. 21, guys, we had a pretty much a rise over here, which was roughly 1000% return in the total free market cap. But over here, what I'm expecting is going to be a little bit different. Sorry to really break your your dreams, but a 200 and probably 200 or 300% increase in altcoins market cap. It's my expectation, which means that coins, instead of doing like 20x, 30x, 40x, they're probably going to do only like a 5 or 6x, which of course it's amazing. It's still very, very good, but I'm not really expecting something crazy like so many people think. However, what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to make a video of two altcoins which I think they have a potential to do a 20 to even 50x. So subscribe because you don't want to miss this video over here, guys. But overall, that's about it for today. I think today is going to be interesting to see what the Fed is going to do, is going to say. But again, don't believe in those clowns because they don't even know what they're talking about. Rate cuts are coming, and in my opinion, we should be going way higher than what we are right now with crypto. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.